Whole longan arrives and is staged for controlled intake. Taken for chemical and temperature checks. Are reviewed against specifications to decide release or hold. Released lots are staged FIFO to preserve freshness.
Fruit is queued to enter the washing system in order.
Controlled dumping protects fruit and operators. A bubble flume loosens soil while minimizing damage. A clean rinse removes residual wash water and contaminants. A final rinse removes sanitizer residues before inspection. Excess surface water is removed to improve inspection accuracy. Inspection removes visible defects missed earlier. Optical sorting improves consistency by removing remaining defects.
Approved fruit moves forward on a clean, controlled transfer.
Vision checks confirm only fruit enters preparation.
Metered feeding stabilizes downstream processing. A final verification rinse ensures cleanliness before preparation.
Fruit is aligned to enter preparation without impact damage.
Controlled cracking opens the peel while protecting the edible aril.
Light rinse removes residual peel before size reduction.
Breaks down flesh to release juice and pulp.
By removing remaining solids.
Inline sieving ensures particle size consistency.
De-aeration removes entrained air to protect quality. Buffer tanks balance flow and maintain uniformity. Aseptic conditions to ensure shelf stability. Hermetic sealing preserves sterility after filling. Lot coating enables full traceability through distribution. Automated weighing confirms net content compliance. Vision systems verify seal integrity on every unit. Cartons are sealed to protect packs during handling. Automated palletizing ensures stable, repeatable loads.
The audio features the prominent hum and whirring of electric motors and machinery. A low motorized
Finished pallets are staged under controlled conditions.
Pallets are selected according to customer orders. Pallets are loaded to maintain stability and access.
Sealing protects cargo integrity during transit. Documentation completes the handover for transport. Separated peel and fiber are consolidated for byproduct processing. Mechanical dewatering reduces moisture before drying. Controlled drying stabilizes fiber for milling. Dried fiber is milled to a consistent powder. Sieving and bagging finalize the fiber byproduct. Before discharge. Sludge is dewatered for compliant disposal. Final monitoring confirms wastewater meets discharge requirements. Empty totes are washed to prevent cross-contamination. Drying prevents microbial growth on reusable equipment. Waste streams are segregated for proper disposal.
Environmental monitoring verifies sanitation effectiveness.
Aseptic barriers are checked to protect filled product.
Pallet IDs link finished goods to production records.
Temperature monitoring protects product quality during storage. Shipments are secured and ready to leave the facility.
I'll uncoil the hose now.
Go ahead, I'll bring the foamer. Looks good, let's connect it up.
Apply deterrent foam.
Rinsing removes loosened soils and detergent residues.
Sanitizing reduces microbial risk before the next run. Drying and reassembly complete the sanitation cycle. The sanitized line is left in a ready state for the next run.
Waste is removed promptly to maintain hygiene. The production cycle concludes with all shipments dispatched.
The plant stands ready for the next production cycle. Dispatch confirmation closes the production cycle.
This concludes the end-to-end processing of fresh longan into aseptic puree.